Hi guys, and welcome to another shortcut. Today we'll see how to make text bigger or smaller in a very fast and easy way. To access the text tool, you can always press the shortcut T, or you can just go there and we'll just drag a text for example's sake. Now to make it bigger or smaller in a very quick and simple way, hold down the Control or Command on a Mac and Shift. Then you choose these square brackets or the full stop and the comma. And you see once you press the full stop, then the letters become bigger, 2 points at a time, or the left arrow or the comma, and the letters will become smaller, 2 points at a time. If you want to make it faster, 10 points at a time, you can hold down Control, Command, Shift and Alt or Option on a Mac while pressing these right or left brackets, and you'll see that makes it at 10 points at a time. So that's a very cool, quick and easy way to enlarge or resize your text. You can always change the amount that will be resized, 2 points or anything, under the preferences over here. Now what's cool about this shortcut is that you don't actually have to choose the text, so you can choose the box itself. As you can see, I'm choosing the box and it works, or you can choose the selected text. You can select the whole thing, or you can just choose, say, these few words, and it will also work with that as well. You can see, so that's a very cool thing to know. Also works with a point type or a area type. The difference between them, you can see if you double click on this, then it should change because I've got overwritten text, so it will erase it, but that's fine. So if you double click on this, now it changes it to an area type, and you can see that because once I enlarge the box, the text won't enlarge with it. But if I click on this, double click on it again, then it will change to a point type tool, and that makes the text grow with the box, so it's contained within that area. You can hold down Shift to keep the proportions, and this shortcut works with any of them, so you can try it there and it makes it larger and smaller. And that's that. Thank you so much for joining this video. If you gained anything, please give a like and subscribe, and remember to share your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.